I see this guy. I didn't pursue this guy.
I'm leaving. Just know that this country belongs to all of us. Members from coming into the secretariat, telling them that there is no meeting. Sorry, they were stopping POT members from entering. My only offense is that I said there is meeting of POT. That's my only offense. I've not said anything more than that before they started insulting me and bugging me out of the office. I'm a staff of the National Secretariat of the PDP. This kind of thing cannot continue. One man cannot hold the whole country to ransom. We are holding our meeting here today. They should open the place for us to hold our meeting. That's all. One man cannot hold this country to ransom. What is our offense as a party? My name is Ibu Thomas.
That man is holding.
Yes, on Wike. Yes, on Wike is the man.
Yes, maybe they would look it very well. But people come no sense in it. There's been no sense. Don't let them know. There's been no sense.
You know, I don't even know where to start. Because, you see, whoever you see here has been invited for this BOT meeting. This BOT meeting. And we are all invited to come and attend this BOT meeting. And as of this time now, nobody gave me any instruction, any notice from anywhere that this meeting is not holding. And I came here with confidence to enter this place. And I'm surprised. The policeman stopped me and said there's no meeting. Why? He said there is an order from the top. He cannot answer that question. So I don't know really.
Did they mention the person when they say order from the top? Is he the IG?
I don't know. Is the DPO there? He's him there. He's the one who stopped me and said, when I asked him, okay, as far as I'm concerned, this meeting has been scheduled for now. And if you say there is no meeting, why? He said he could not answer that question. Why can't you answer it? He said from the top. The top, I don't know which top. So for me, I can only give you an answer, political answer. But security answer, you see the DPO. That's the only thing I can tell you.
But I understand before now that the BOT meeting was to precede the expanded caucus.
Yes.
Will the expanded caucus also hold? Since they are depriving.
Well, since they have stopped the BOT, then I don't know. That's why I said I can only give you answer based on political question. But whatever is going to be security questions that stopped this meeting, I cannot answer that. So I think the DPO is there waiting. So if you finish here, you can go and ask him and he will be able to tell you. But certainly for me, I came for this meeting. I'm an unrepented member of the PDP. And where the PDP called me for a meeting, I will go. And I'm here for it.
Thank you so much. Your name, sir?
My name is Senator Umar Ibrahim Sauli, the immediate past national secretary of the PDP.
Now we wait. Stop. Wait now. We are not the one that we made this now. By that everybody come out here now. We'll not be able to see guys back. Don't
Even the BOT member wanted to take that.
They are going inside. Give me your camera. Let me go and capture for them.
I know you say that BOT member.
What the? What the?
want to let cross? Now only you want to let cross. Who and you come here? Sorry, no, who? They mention name maker here.
Who and me? Mary.
Say it, Hi.
Hello, John.
Come.
Here, enter my camera. What's the problem?
After I don't collect it,
You know what? It can happen. I mean, just come here and show. So, I don't know. I don't know you understand. Look at the and I very
The neck hole is open.
Oh, it's open. I will still
saying they arrest that they don't need to give any notice again because they are flowing from the decision of the last night. Oh, but the party claimed it. No, the party claimed it. That's why they termed this one, this appointed one, at 100. So they are fixed. That is the problem they are having. They are saying since that next week, there is not any legal organ. And that is why this person was harassing you this day. I think you're supposed to be very, very hungry. What did make you go? So the president of they have to give way. You the try it. From that your distance, you don't come here this morning. I know what I'm saying. Now it's so much. Yes, you don't come. Meanwhile, we get collision in the stage. Yes, let us sleep. Yes. 45 minutes for those.
It's closer
than your own because it's on a free route.
Me,
You can take a port road.
I spend 45 minutes, sometimes 50 minutes from Ashi.
You hold up, yes. That is
This one you don't have any. It's only when you get to the bay here.
yes.
You know the big problem, don't worry. Clean that, just either you change that terminal, just change it, you clean the amount of your clean and well one time. Now that smoke will fear you.
Ah, yes,
now because
so
you put water,
no,
no, do anything.
No. Buy motor now.
Ah, now, voilà.
7. Yes, now. You know, you go buy a smaller car when they don't use.
If you hold that money, it will make you spend that money. If you hold that money,
I leave my money, I leave my car. Okay, they won't use the plastic to put on the road.
I'm not going to go right condom.
go ahead now. Then you have
I was typing condom. This condom. One of my uncle in my former place of work, not China, when you go on air, go read the China, state of Virginia. State of China. Before we leave that,
Do not enter here.
Chief, morning, sir. I like the money. But the guy already told me 50K days. I like the money.
Don't come again.
This center no Mumbai center here. Then Allah. Madam.
Good morning, sir. Please, you cannot do your coverage, your medical, your video coverage here. Please, I would advise you to go to that.
okay, that place.
Yes, thank you.
It is not here.
No, it's not here.
Where?
Okay.
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. I'm already at the PDP secretariat, sir. At what I have done. That's the police are already taking over the place. Yes, sir. That's the police are already taking over.
Say around 50. 50 is too much.
I go reach 50. Look, I go reach 50. At least.
You don't go describe it.
You're not going to
So even the staff of the place that I'm not
enter. But that was
If they are leaving, we will still get them.
we will see them. But me, you like people on the TV, you like precedent coming out.
Exactly. If not, if we are running our this will be shaking.
If you want to do this, if today there was that
I'm taking you understand? Yeah, he broke.
So if you want
If you don't free from oh, okay, those joy.
Take him, let him walk to the voice.
Maka, you are still in this your carefulness. See the other woman.
Okay, so they're not the turn officials.
Yes, now.